1963 Chevrolet Impala SS Convertible. This particular car, you can tell it is an SS by the trim on the data tag. Data tag underneath the hood has trim of an 879 on there. 879 would be red vinyl bucket seats. Impala SS. So this is a true SS. It also has an A code color on there, which means it was originally a tuxedo black car. If you're wondering about the A code as far as the color, it's actually a GM of Canada built Impala SS. So it is a Canadian built Chevrolet, which obviously quite a few of those were made in the day. This particular one happens to still be in the original paint color it was, and also the interior. Take a look at this interior, actually still pretty darn nice shape. As you can see, buckets of course. This does have an automatic transmission in it. It's also powered by a 283. Underneath the hood with that 283 is power steering and power brakes. The paint on this car, I will tell you, it does show its age. It's an older paint job, and it's starting to, if I come along here, I mean, you can see fine scratches, see a little bubbling in the paint. So, I mean, I'd call it a driver quality paint. If you wanted to take it to the next level, could use a paint job. And there's a few little dings in the trim. I noticed one back here, down there in the trim pieces. But overall, it seems to be a pretty solid car. Take a look at the underside pictures. You can check out any of the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Here you'll see a few kind of blemishes. I mean, you can still see it has a luster to it. You can see the ceiling fans and the ceiling reflection. So, I mean, it does have a luster to it, but again, it could definitely use a little TLC, or if you want to take it to the next level, paint. We'll go ahead and fire it up. This car seems to run fine, runs smoothly. So SS wheel covers. It does have a power top also. Top color is black, and it does work fine. Goes up and down. Like I said, it is a power top. Let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. Here's the original door cards. Has had a little bit different stereo system put in it. Has a bass in the subwoofer, or bass in the trunk. Again, and you can check those out at the still pictures that are on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's go ahead and fire this up here. You can see car starts easily. Correct steering wheel, center console. Like I said, it is an automatic in it. It's kind of got that gated type shifter for the automatic. Dash is in nice shape. Here the engine, like I said, runs smoothly. No crazy exhaust or anything like that to it. Slip around so you can hear it run. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back, no crazy rumble or loud exhaust on it. Just a nice cruiser. Again, if you got any question on this, like to inquire about it, possibly getting it transported to your location, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Or feel free to check out any of the pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Any of the pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS Convertible.